Dear AI aspiring engineers, welcome to our channel. Today we try to see one of the exciting topic, that is word embeddings. You can see word mean bidirectional encoder representations from transformers. So this is the one use case we are taking and we try to explore it. So now you can see the word tokenizer. It is having a tokenizing, breaking the words into the words or subwords pieces. Now after this one it will try to give the model processing, and after that one it will try to feed word embeddings. Okay, so these three steps it is going in this model, and before that we try to install the very important package, that is nothing but the transformer. From transformers we try to import bird tokenizer and bird model, and we need to have a PyTorch, NumPy, random. These are the important package we try to have it. And in this one I try to initialize the random seed is equal to 42. I am handovering to the torch manual seed2. You can see it on the screen. The question similarity we try to see it later. And now what we try to see in the second one, we are loading the bird tokenizer and model. You can see tokenizer, that is bird base uncased. Bird base uncased, the model and tokenizer I am loading. You can see it on the screen. And I am printing the model. The model is going to give the architecture of the bird embeddings. It is like the layers as we see in the CNN and RNN. And you can see it on the screen also, the print model. And what it is contained the bird model, it was displaying on the screen how many layers are. And now we are moving on to the tokenizer. The tokenizer having a vocabulary, that is nothing but the dictionary. It is having 30,522 words, and maximum length of the sentence is expecting this 512. And it is also having the special tokens. You can see it on the screen: unknown, special token, pad token, and other tokens also you can see mask. So these are the special tokens which we try to consider, and we are entering into the input formatting. So as we discussed, CLS is the beginning of a sentence, separator at the end of the sentence, and keeping the sentence at the same length, and we are padding. Pad is the special token. If the length is less than 512, we try to consider special case. And attention mask also, wherein all the token is present 0, otherwise it's wherein all the token is present it is 1, otherwise it is 0, sorry. And tokenizer text, I am taking I am from Naresh IT Omkar batch, and I am using the tokenizer as a model, and I am using the function that is tokenize, and it is printing. Wherein all the word is present in the dictionary it will print, if not it will break, and break it will be represented with a double hash symbol. You can see Naresh IT, it is divided into the 3 like this, and Omkar it is divided into the 2. And now I am passing this tokenizer text, convert the tokenizer text, revert backing into the string, that is nothing but the convert token to string. You can see the original text is formed on this screen. And the special token I am combining, that is nothing beginning and end of the text, you can see. And these two you need to write a square bracket, CLS and SCP, and you can see that two things will be added into the list. It is in the list, you can see. And again I am keeping the same thing, the padding I didn't consider, we try to see it later. And after that one I am identifying the token IDs. Token IDs is nothing but the index of the given token in a given dictionary. That's what I am getting as in a token IDs. And again I am converting into the token IDs to get back the tokens. It's a dictionary, it is mapped token ID to token, it's a one-on-one relationship. So that's what we have seen it on the screen. and I was giving on the mask IDs wherein all the token is present. I am printing as 1, the rest of the things as 0. It is nothing but the simply masking ones and 0. Present mean 1, absent if the word token is not there is 0. We are considering all the tokens, so what is there we are making as 1. And finally we are converting into the tensor because the model needs in the form of a tensor, that is nothing but the list in list. So I am taking the torch tensor as a function, converting into the index token and mask IDs, and these two things I am passing on to the model, that is ID tensor and mask tensor. You can see the fourth point, obtain bird embeddings for a token. You can see it on the screen too, the model. And the output I am giving as a shape, you can see it over here. 1 mean batch, 11 will be the tokens, and 768 will be the vector size. That many things it for each one it will be having. So this is what I want to cover in this video, and you can see if you have any doubts please write in the comment section. And you can see it, the picture on the screen, bird which will take the CLS and separate that are inputs which is passed from one direction, and the output will be coming on other direction. You can see the separator, you can add multiple text. If you like this video, for more interesting updates please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. We try to meet in the next video. Until then, bye, take care.